All right, guys. Hi, it's Deb, and I wanted to welcome you to the first official episode of Chasing the Muses. I'm going to keep this short for today, for our very first inaugural episode. And I just wanted to say to those who've been following me that SteamCon went really well. We did sell a few books, and the readings were okay. Still pretty new to the whole thing. But I just wanted to kind of reintroduce Chasing the Muses and give it a little bit more direction. This is November 2019, and for some crazy reason, I have decided to do NaNoWriMo and work on Chasing the Muses and get a start on organizing the office. So the mess that you see behind me is actually my messy office. But we'll talk a little more about the changing environment later, or possibly over on the homesteading videos, because we're doing that too. Because we don't have enough irons in the fire, and because I personally don't have enough irons in the fire, we just throw a few more in there. So the first topic for Chasing the Muses is going to be multiple character viewpoints, or multiple character multiple character viewpoints in one single work of fiction, and how and why and what that does to the manuscript when you do that. Which is actually what my thesis is over, so double points. Well, not double points, but I get to use it for my thesis, and I also get to help you guys with that information. Hopefully it'll be something that you'll find useful and good for your writing. So I will also, when I make that video, I will be giving you guys some recommended reading. When we do the stuff we do in the master's program that I'm in, what we do is we pick out things to read that are along the lines of things that we want to do for our thesis, or what we are working on at that present moment. So I'll try to be putting those recommended reading lists in some of the Chasing the Muses episodes. So we may be doing that on the next video, and it may be the one after. I'm still working on the structure for the program. Do want to also share that Yule Tidings was actually released today, November 1st, 2019. I have a piece in there, but Yule Tidings is way more than just fiction stories or poems about Christmas season or Yuletide season. Yule Tidings is a collection of stories, poems, there's recipes, devotionals, there's nonfiction articles about Yuletide, which is what mine is. It's like a variety show in a book, is what I like to say. So check out Yule Tidings. Yule Tidings. It's by Prosateurs, and it is on Amazon. It's available, I think, also on Barnes & Noble, but it's definitely on Amazon. I have a few copies if you know who I am, and you can come find me, and I'll even sign it for you. And, who knows? You might find the other Prosateurs, and they might be able to sign it for you, if you like that kind of stuff. Otherwise, just check it out for all the recipes, all the great Christmas vibe, the great Yuletide and solstice vibe that it's got going on. I mean, it's even got a gingerbread cookie on the front, so that was kind of lame. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. But we'll get better doing the nervous thing. So the next thing I want to touch on is if you guys have suggestions or questions for Chasing the Muses, go ahead and put those down in the comments below, and I will get to those as soon as possible. It is going to be a struggle, but I will get there. No, I'm kidding. It's not going to be a struggle at all. I'll be checking it. So put your comments or questions down below, and I will get to them as quickly as possible, because I am totally stoked, you guys. I am so excited about this. If you do want to learn more about writing, about the craft of writing, or just the struggle of getting through the writing life, go ahead and subscribe. We will be back with more. Thanks, and we'll see ya.